Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so ang topic natin ngayon ay continuation sa ating last video, yung adding and subtracting rational numbers. So, tapos na tayo sa fraction. So, proceed na tayo dito sa decimal form. Okay, so ito yung number 8 natin kasi yung panghuli natin is yung uh, adding and subtracting rational numbers in fraction form. Tapos na tayo dyan. So, dito na tayo sa number 8. Okay, so 7.56 plus 3.2 plus 2.75. So, kapag i-add natin yung decimal form, yung rule natin dito is to line up the decimal points of the numbers. Okay. Second, we have to add zeros to make the numbers the same length if needed. Okay. Third, add and subtract the numbers, then put the decimal point. Okay, so isahin natin yan. So, first, line up the decimal points of the numbers. Okay, dapat naka-arrange or naka-line up yung decimal point. One line lang yan sila. So, yung second step, add zeros to make the numbers the same length if needed. So, meron tayong kulang dito. Itong 3.2, di ba? So, kulang siya. So, lagdagan natin yan ng 0 para mapareho na sila. Okay? Third step, add or subtract. So, since addition tayo, so i-add natin yan. So, 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1 to 1, 5. 18. Then, 11, 13. So, tapos, ang last is put the decimal point. So, 13.55. Okay, number 9. So, 50 minus 23.875. So, again, i-ano natin yan, i-line up natin yung decimal point. And then, yung second step, dagdagan natin ng zeros. Okay? Yan. So, pantay na. So, minus. Kasi subtraction yan. So, yung 0 dyan, magiging 10 yan. Then, 10 minus 5 is 5. Then, yung 0 is 9 na lang yan. Minus 7 is 2. Then, 9 na lang yan. Minus 8 is 1. 9 is minus 3 is 6. Then, 4 minus 2 is 2. So, put the decimal point. Yeah. So, that is our final answer. 26.125. Next, number 10. 5.65 plus 3.25 minus 2.5. So, first, i-add natin yung combination kasi ito sa addition at saka subtraction. So, i-add natin yung 5.65 at saka 3.25. So, the result is 8.90. Then, tsaka natin i-subtract doon kay 2.5. So, 8.90 minus 2.5. Tapos, dagdagan natin ng 0. So, that is 6.4. Number 11. So, adding and subtracting rational numbers in different forms. Meron siyang fraction. Meron siyang dissimilar at saka whole number. So, convert all numbers to the same form. Dapat magkapareho sila ng form. Okay, so, when then perform the addition or subtraction, then simplify the result. Okay, number 11. So, 5 over 2 plus 2/3 minus 1. Okay? So, gawin natin the same form yan. Okay, so ang LCD natin dito is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 5 is 15. So that's why nagiging 15 yan. Ayan. Then ito, 6 divided by 2, by 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. Then take note, itong over 1, okay? Itong whole number, meron yung over 1. So 6 divided by 1 is 6 times 1 is 6. Then huwag kalimutan yung mga sign. Okay? Then equals similar fraction. So meaning we have to copy the common denominator. Then add natin yung numerator and subtract. Okay? So 15 minus 9. Sorry. 15 plus 4 is 19. Minus 6 is 13. So 13 over 6 or 2 and 1/6. Sorry. Okay? Next, number 12. 6.89 minus 1 and 1/4. So, kapag i-subtract natin ito, una, i-convert natin all numbers to the same form. So, perform the addition or subtraction. So, 6.89 minus 1 and 1/4. So, convert natin itong 1 and 1/4. So, kopyahin muna natin si 6.89 minus 1 and 1/4 is equal to 1.25. Okay, so then, saka pa natin i-pantay. So, 6.89 minus 1.25 is 5.64. Okay, so, yan lang po yung topic natin. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At sa hindi pa nakasubscribe at nakafollow sa ating Facebook page, paki-like and subscribe para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless everyone.